Ladies and gentlemen, this is my bird Eli. He doesn't think The Rock should be at WrestleMania. Tell him why. Come on, Eli. Tell him. See, Eli here, he hates The Rock. And he's glad that Cody Rhodes is facing Roman Reigns instead of The Rock. And I, for one, happen to agree with the bird here. But ain't he a beautiful bird? Looking at me with such disdain right now. Like he hates being on the camera. Eli. You got quiet all of a sudden. What are you, camera shy? Eli. He was just talking up a storm here a second ago. But I don't think Eli would like The Rock being at WrestleMania. I think he prefers Cody. Even though some people don't like Cody Rhodes. You know. But I, for one, am definitely happy that Cody Rhodes has taken the spot. And look, he's given his opinion already. He hates The Rock. He just said it. And why do you hate The Rock, Eli? Tell him. You were just talking up a storm a second ago. Yeah, we don't like The Rock, do we, Eli? We're not Rock fans. The Rock sucks. Tell him, The Rock sucks. This is Eli's first appearance on screen. He's a little nervous. I'm gonna make you a star. What's that, Eli? You want them to hit that like and subscribe button? Yeah? Well, you heard the bird. So hit that like and subscribe button. Tell him bye, Eli.